Hi guys, this is a quick video on different ways to add solid reagents to our Schlenk flask. With different ways of doing things, there's often a better way depending on which solid we're adding, whether it's fine particles or reagents in excess or something which is a bit bulkier, a bit larger and easier to add. The main thing is with adding stuff to the Schlenk flask though, is that we want to make sure material isn't caught in the neck or the arm. This will affect our grease seal that we form and also possibly contaminate our reaction with grease. So with gloves on, when handling reagents, if it's something that is already weighed out in a sample vial, we can just tip this into our Schlenk flask before greasing any stoppers to go onto it, so hopefully it can slide to the bottom. But if we're having trouble getting it past the neck, we can always fold up a piece of filter paper into a tube and use that to deliver the rest of our solid into our Schlenk flask there. Notice as well that it's slightly tilted to make sure that the solid reagent doesn't go into our arm of our Schlenk. So by knocking the filter paper a little bit, we can get most of our material into our Schlenk flask there. And if there is anything caught in the neck, as I said, that's going to need to be wiped off when we come to greasing our stopper to evacuate our Schlenk flask with all our solid reagents inside. Any material that is in the grease will affect the seal that it forms, so we give that a wipe with a tissue or some blue roll to remove that. Alternatively, we can use these glass weighing boats, often not very good for materials which are bulky. It can get caught in the delivery tube of the weighing boat. But for finer particles, this can usually slide past and get delivered into the Schlenk flask.